Everybody deserves to get a fully funded scholarship. Imagine going to Australia to study for free, where your tuition fee, your living allowance, and also your relocation allowance is provided. This is absolutely amazing, and you would want to know more about this. But before we get to it, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please smash the subscribe button and also like this video. And thank you so much guys for your love. Thanks for your support. I really do appreciate. Do not forget to come in here to check the videos I have made. There are so many scholarships here for you to apply for undergraduate studies, for master's degree studies, for PhD. So most of the scholarships are still open, and they will be closing by the end of May, by the end of June, by the end of July. So do come in here and check. You're going to find something for yourself. Drop a comment for me, like this video, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Your family and friends also subscribe to join our amazing family. This is the only way you can support me and also tell me thank you for the great work I do here on my YouTube channel. And also always remember to visit Scholar Worker page, where we have so many content for you, for scholarship, for fellowships, for internship, all to meet your academic and career goals. We have so many scholarships on our blog that I haven't talked about yet on my YouTube channel. So please come here and explore all of the scholarship we have here for you. This is made for you and because of you, so why not explore it? Okay, so do well to check our blog and also visit my previous videos on my YouTube channel, and surely you're going to find something to apply for. So right now, let's get back into the scholarship. Welcome to the University of Tasmania website, where I'm going to walk you through their scholarship programs at this university. This university has so many scholarships you can apply for, and these scholarships are for both locals in Australia and also for international students. So come in here and check around for their scholarships. They have major scholarships that anybody can apply for. They also have prestigious domestic scholarship. So if you're from Australia, you can check them out. And they also have other external funded scholarships that are funded by different funding bodies. Okay, so check in here, you may just find something that aligns to what you're looking for. And also let me know in the comment section, do you want me to talk about more scholarship at this university? Because in today's video, I only want to focus on this section called major scholarships. So they have other scholarships that international students are eligible to apply for, but I won't go into that today. Now let's review the scholarship and see what each of them require from you. So you can either apply for any of these two programs. This Australian Government Research Training Program scholarship is for both PhD and master's degree program. You can only study for your master's degree program for 2 years, and if you're applying for PhD, you can do this for a maximum of 4 years. Here you can see the benefit if you're applying as an international applicant or as a domestic applicant. You can also visit this link to see the tuition rate for international applicants. For the relocation allowances, you'll be given 2,000 USD to support you for relocating to Australia for this program. To be eligible for the program, here is a very detailed document you can also look at. So this PDF is just to ensure that you understand what you are about to apply for. So please do well to review this before you begin your application. You need to ensure that you are eligible to apply for the scholarship, and also more info that we always talked about. Everything is stated here on this document. So ensure that you come in here to take a look at more info about this particular scholarship program. Just for you to also be aware, this scholarship does not cover any additional fee that you may need to pay for student services or amenity services, your health insurance, and also your visa costs. So you need to cover all of that by yourself. Trust me, it's also a very good deal. Your tuition fee is covered, you have stipend, and you also have travel allowance. So that can also go a long way for you to recover some of your money back. And please do ensure that you visit this link for you to know the selection criteria and enrollment procedures, just to ensure that you submit a very good application to this university. And now let's go into the second scholarship, which is the Tasmania Graduate Research Scholarship. So if we click on this, we can see more info about the scholarship. This is available to any research discipline at this university, and for you to be awarded, you need to demonstrate a research ability. This scholarship is also going to provide a living allowance up to $3,000 per year, and this rate is indexed annually every 1st of January. With this scholarship, like the previous one I talked about, you can also apply for PhD and master's degree program. If you're applying for master's in research, that will be for 2 years, and if you're applying for PhD, that will be for a maximum of 4 years program. It also covers your tuition fee, which you can see here. Domestic students from Australia are also encouraged to apply for the program because they also have same benefits. It also provides a relocation allowance of $2,000, which is a great one. And also do well to come in here to read the conditions for the scholarship so that you are aware of what you're about to study, and also get to read more info and criteria for you to be able to apply for the scholarship. So all the information you can see here are what I already talked about already on the page, but take your time to review this thoroughly before you begin your application. Like I said, they have so many other scholarships you may want to explore, so please do come in here and take a look at those scholarships. Now for the key date, one thing for you to note is that if you're an international applicant, application is yet to be open. So the goal is for me to bring this to you, for you to know more about this scholarship, do your thorough search if Australia is a destination for you. Prepare your application document so that once the application opens, you can apply. And please do not forget to save this video so that you can always make reference to it once it is open, okay? But then the deadline for the application is 1st of October 2025, but we are not yet sure when the application will be open. And with this scholarship, you can apply for any program at all. Those from Australia, they already have the application open, and the deadline is 1st of June 2025. So for those applying from outside Australia, you will be studying in Australia by 2026. So it's a very good one, really, guys. So do well to come in here, do a thorough review about the course, go to the documents on the pages, go through the links as well, do a thorough review about the courses, and apply for your program as soon as you can. And then for you to apply, applicants should complete an application in conjunction with the supervisory team. Please indicate in your application, which is the link you can see here. So once you click on this link, that will take you to the application form. So please indicate in your application that you wish to be considered for a scholarship. This simply means that once you apply using this link, you will automatically be considered for the scholarship. And before you apply, like they also say here, do well to review their apply now page for you to get further instruction about how you can begin your application. Review all their application processes and submit your application once you have gone through all of those processes. So once you're ready, if you click on any of these links here, either this application link or apply now link, that will open for you this page where you can see more info about the university, the program you want to apply for, and how you can begin your application. So before you begin step 1, you need to review all of their requirements and info about the university. Secondly, you also need to find a research project that aligns to what you want to do. Here is a list of all of their projects. You can click on this to check projects that might align to what you're looking for. You also need to develop a research proposal in collaboration with the project supervisors. So this is the reason why I'm bringing this information to you very early, so that you have all the time to do all of your research, get a research supervisor, put together your research proposal, and once the application portal opens, you submit your application as soon as possible. And here are the guides that you need for you to be able to write a very good research proposal. So once you put all of that together, please submit your application, and also be reminded that when you are uploading your document on your application form, you need to use this format to name your document, okay? And these are all the documents you need to apply for the scholarship. You need a passport, you need a signed copy of a supervisory support form, which is supervisor you have identified at this university. You need to get a form from them, which you can see the link to the form here. You also need to submit your research proposal, evidence of your qualification, which is like your transcript and your degree certificate, and you need a CV. You need to provide an evidence of English proficiency. But at this university, if you're from an English speaking country, you do not need to provide that English proficiency. So guys, this is a lot happening here, but take your time to review the scholarship carefully and prepare your document to apply for the scholarship once the application portals opens. I wish you all the best in your application. Please do not forget to smash the subscribe button and like this video before you log off, and do not forget to do me a favor to recommend my YouTube channel to a friend, and see you on the next one.